Today, we have one rule. We can speak only English for 24 hours. What if we forget a word? Then, we lose the challenge.
Hi everyone. My name is Ali.
Hello everyone, I'm Sarah.
Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we have a fun challenge.
Yes, it's going to be exciting.
We will try to speak only English for one whole day.
That's right. No other language today.
Do you think we can do it?
I think so. But it might be a little difficult.
I agree. Sometimes I forget simple English words.
Me too. But that's okay. We are learning.
Exactly. Making mistakes is part of learning.
So don't worry if you make mistakes.
Just keep speaking.
Practice every day.
Sarah, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I woke up early today,
Really? What time did you wake up?
around 6:30.
Wow. That's early.
Yes. I wanted to have a fresh start.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I woke up at 7.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept for about 8 hours.
That's great.
I feel relaxed today.
Me too.
What did you do after you woke up?
First, I drank a glass of water.
Good habit.
Then, I brushed my teeth.
Did you make breakfast?
Yes,
What did you eat?
I had toast, eggs, and a banana.
That sounds delicious.
It was.
I only had cereal and milk.
That's easy and quick.
Yes. I was feeling a little lazy this morning.
We all have lazy mornings sometimes.
That's true.
Did you drink coffee?
Of course.
I knew you would say that.
I can't start my day without coffee.
I like tea more than coffee.
Really?
Yes. Tea makes me feel calm.
Coffee gives me energy.
Different drinks for different people.
Exactly.
So, are you ready for today's challenge?
I think so.
Remember,
If one of us speaks another language,
the other person will say, English, please,
that's funny. Funny.
but it will help us remember.
I like it.
Me too.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you a little nervous?
Just a little.
Me too.
That's normal.
Yes. Learning something new can feel scary.
But it can also be fun.
Exactly.
Let's enjoy the challenge together.
And let's help each other.
Deal. We can only speak English today.
Oh, yes.
No cheating.
I promise.
Even if we forget a word,
We'll try to explain it in English.
that's a great idea.
We shouldn't give up.
Never.
Why do you want to do this challenge?
Because I want to improve my English.
That's a good reason.
I understand English when I listen.
Really?
Yes. But speaking is harder for me.
I feel the same way.
Sometimes I know the word in my head,